So what if I told you that 90% of all AI tools are burning money, while a 2-year-old startup just cracked the code? This isn't ChatGPT, this isn't Gemini, this isn't Meta, this is about DeepSeek. But just like ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini, they all started completely free, but then as the time moved on, they started introducing tiers with different levels of pricing. And while DeepSeek is completely free now, it will also go into that direction because of this. So anyway, why is DeepSeek dominating the AI space? DeepSeek's training costs 100 times cheaper than ChatGPT 4's, and that is an extremely big thing for automators. They really cracked the code on lean AI. No supercomputers, just smart math. DeepSeek proves that you don't need this big fortune to create top-tier AI. This could, and it's going to, disrupt the whole market by making advanced AI accessible to more companies, threatening the business models of AI giants who rely on high costs and high margin models. DeepSeek R1 was developed for under $6 million, where ChatGPT needs $700,000 to run each and every single month. DeepSeek's ability to handle vast amount of text with content retention offers unmatched efficiency in sectors where understanding long documents is crucial. This threatens other LLMs that struggle with context over long spans, potentially losing ground in industries like law, academia and software development. But the interesting thing is that DeepSeek's code isn't locked in a Silicon Valley vault. Thousands of developers are hacking it daily to do crazy things that big tech giants can't. By being open source, benefits from global innovation, rapidly evolving beyond what closed source systems can achieve. This collaborative approach causes a threat to all other AI models, as it could lead to faster and more specialized AI solutions developed outside traditional tech hubs. Speed in AI execution can be a decisive factor in business operations, giving DeepSeek users a significant advantage. This speed threatens other LLMs, making them obsolete in scenarios where rapid AI response is critical. Although Gemini and ChatGPT is still faster in terms of tokens processed per second, then again, this is just the start for DeepSeek. Now, what is China's AI secret weapon? DeepSeek's multilingual AI capabilities and understanding of niche markets make it more attractive in regions outside the English-speaking world. This could shift the balance in the AI world, challenging Western LLMs in international applications, and potentially leading to a more fragmented, region-specific AI landscape. Okay, so here's some interesting stuff and things to know about DeepSeek. So, the model's development was not just about creating another AI, but proving a point in AI research, which is quite interesting. It showcases that with innovative approaches like model distillation and less reliance on vast computational resources, one can still achieve state-of-the-art performance. Because like I said, they didn't have this big budget or all the fancy equipment to create this AI, but yet they did. So it just shows that the impact with their approach is quite big. And also that DeepSeek's R1 was trained using a technique called direct preference optimization, DPO, which is both stable and performant. It eliminates the need for sampling from the language model during fine-tuning, making the process lighter on computational resources compared to traditional methods like proximal policy optimization used in reinforcement learning from human feedback. Now, reinforcement learning, this model was trained with large-scale reinforcement learning, focusing on enhancing reasoning capabilities without a preliminary step of supervised fine-tuning. This method allowed DeepSeek R1 to learn from its own mistakes and successes, much like human learning, leading to more natural reasoning patterns. And that's extremely powerful and important while utilizing AI, because this is much like a RAG agent. And this is important because the AI should be able to learn, and we are yet seeing this in different LLMs. Benchmark excellence. So DeepSeek R1 has shown performance on par or better than OpenAI's O1 in various reasoning tasks. Its success in benchmarks like Math 500 and GPQA Diamond indicates a robust capability in handling mathematical and factual reasoning. though it has room for improvement in areas like coding where it's less dominant. So as you can see that some LLMs obviously, like Claude for example, is much better in writing, is also quite good in coding as well, and ChatGPT is good at reasoning. But now that DeepSeek stepped in, it's going to be quite a competitor, direct competitor for ChatGPT. The creation of distilled versions from DeepSeek R1 based on architectures like Qwen and Llama shows how the model's knowledge can be transferred to more resource-efficient models. These distilled models have achieved impressive results, with some even outperforming their counterparts in specific benchmarks despite having fewer parameters. Now, the open source release under an MIT license has led to a vibrant community around DeepSeek R1. Developers and researchers are not just using it but also modifying it, leading to hundreds of derivative models. The community aspect is perhaps one of the most juicy elements, as it democratizes AI development, allowing for widespread innovation. Developed with a budget of just $6 million, DeepSeek R1 demonstrated high-performance AI doesn't necessarily require billions in investments, making it a beacon for smaller labs or solo developers to aspire towards significant contributions to AI. This accessibility means automators can integrate advanced AI capabilities into their automation workflows at a fraction of a cost typically associated with proprietary solutions. And this is also something interesting regarding the future implications of what this might have. So it's challenging the status quo. DeepSeek R1's success is a wake-up call for the AI industry, showing that the narrative of needing vast resources to create impactful AI might be changing. It could push other companies to rethink their strategies, focusing more on efficiency and community collaboration. And it might also be a potential for AGI. So there's an underlying excitement about how these developments could lead towards open source efforts in achieving artificial general intelligence, as DeepSeek's R1's approach to learning and reasoning mimics human cognitive processes more closely. So yeah, we are really living in a super exciting stage with all of these different LLMs fighting to see which is gonna be on top, which one's gonna win. But at the end of the day, only time will tell, and I'm excited to see what's gonna happen within this industry, within the AI space, and how that's going to affect us as automators. Thank you for watching this video regarding DeepSeek. I really hope you find something interesting or valuable out of this video. If you like it, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. It really helps me a lot as a starting channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.